Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you the reasons why I'm going to be returning the Inkee Falcon Plus gimbal back to the retailer where I bought it from. I'm pretty sure you can guess which retailer I did buy it from. Anyway, so the reasons why I'm going to return this after having a month with it, experimenting with it, is that I find the gimbal is quite buggy with its software. And there's one really annoying problem with this actual gimbal, and that is whenever you switch on the gimbal, let's say for example, I'm just going to show you what I mean here. If I press and hold it, notice that the gimbal is very slowly moving on its own and rotating, even on the tripod, away from center. And it's going to keep on doing that for a little while and then sort of gradually going to slow down. And that is really annoying. I don't know why it's doing that. And it's rotating to the right for some reason on its own. And when you're out and about doing a field test and you're trying to do like a crane shot or anything like that, you're just finding the gimbal is a little bit twisting on the direction. And then you're going to have to keep resetting it, which is not too much of a problem, but it's just annoying, basically. And it shouldn't be necessary to do that, especially that this gimbal is not super cheap. It's not the most expensive, but I had to pay over £100 for this gimbal, so I do expect it at least to stay in the center when you switch it on. I'm sure you'll agree. Now you can actually double click it and it's going to set the actual gimbal back to the center, but as soon as I do that, notice it is again starting to move mysteriously on its own. I'm not touching it, as you can see. Well, that's an issue. So if it wasn't for that little problem, I would actually quite like this gimbal because it is actually very small, it's actually very light, and I do like the fact that you can put the GoPro camera on and it's plenty of space to touch the screen. So I just wish this issue was solved. Now, it could just be my particular version of this gimbal, and maybe if I got a replacement, maybe it'd be absolutely fine. But just be warned, if you do buy this gimbal, you may find you get this issue. Now, it's not because I haven't actually balanced it. Let me just switch it off. Because it's actually balanced in pretty much all the axes. That's the first thing I did. And I've also obviously gone through the calibration in this software and calibrated it, but it makes absolutely no difference whatsoever. So it's a bit of a shame. So just beware if you think about buying this gimbal. Okay, that's it for this little quick video. I just wanted to update you on my experiences with this gimbal, so I hope that's useful if you're thinking about buying it. Take care and see you soon.